Guys, welcome again into my YouTube channel. I go by the name Mari Mohoho. Guys, on today's video I'm going to show you I'm going to show you how I clean my microwave. Today I'm going to do a little bit of deep cleaning because it has been long since I cleaned my microwave. So the products that I'll be using today, they are very cheaper to get. So I've got my vinegar over here. I got myself a baking soda. Yeah, is it a baking soda you use? Oh, not a baking soda, a baking powder. Over here, I've got myself a lemon. Yeah, I got myself a lemon. And this is the package I'm using to put some water. I'm going to put some water. Yeah, let me show you So guys, I'm waiting for the water to boil. Yeah, I have set my microwave to 2 minutes so that it can be ready. Yeah, so we are waiting for it to boil. I'm waiting to see the results, by the way, on how my microwave will turn out to be. I want it to be clean. I love my microwave very clean and shiny. For the shiny part, I'm going to show you what I use to make it shiny, to make this door shiny, because you know it has some oil. Like when you touch it, inajichoreresha. Yeah, inakuwa na sijui zinaitwa nini. So I want it to be shiny, very shiny. By the way, guys, you will love it. How the turnout will come. I know it will be shiny. Yeah, I love my things shiny and clean. So guys, wait, watch. And so far, guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, guys, subscribe, hit that subscription button and hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you will be number one to know. You will be number one to view my video. So guys, let me wait. So it has remained 10 seconds. 7. Now it's down. I know this one is very warm. Yes, you can see how it looks like. So guys, I'm going to do, first of all, when you're cleaning it, don't leave your switch on. So I'm going to switch off. I'm going to remove the pans. So this one I'm going to wash them with soap. So guys, I'm going to start wiping my microwave. You can see how oilish it is. For here, it's so oilish.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care. It's being I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend of me. Too scared now, thinking I should call up all night. I think it's hard how we always wait another day. How we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were bold to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on that. Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care. It's being I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up all night. I think it's hard how we always wait another day. How we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were bold to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on that. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. And we can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long.